we're going to be taking a look at the profile settings and updating those. So first we're going to go ahead and click on Settings. We're going to go ahead and put our password in. Click OK. And we're going to click on Profile and Test Settings at the bottom of the screen. And then we're going to go ahead and update these fields. And then we're going to click Save. And the profile settings have been updated, as you can see from right here. Great. Thank you so much for visiting Waggoner Diagnostics today. We hope you have a stellar rest of the week. Bye-bye.